Meaning of futile.
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 Futile. Futile means pointless, ineffective, or incapable of producing any useful result. When someone engages in a futile task, they are expending time and energy without achieving their desired outcome. It is an exercise in futility that often leads to frustration and disappointment. The end result of a futile effort is typically the same as if no effort had been made at all. Therefore, it is important to recognize when a task is futile and redirect one's efforts towards more productive endeavors.